Yes, I'm pretty well too. Thank you for asking. So, how's your day going on?
My day is quite hectic today because I had a lot of work to do. I think we met last time. Like we have
Yes, I
already had a session.
yeah, but I think
Okay,
it's
so
very long time.
yeah, okay. So let me just tell you, I'm just preparing for the software engineer position. Okay, for the interview actually. So I'm just preparing for that, and that preparation I was busy.
Okay. You are preparing for interviews.
Yeah, right.
Okay. And where are you from?
I'm calling you from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, great. Yes, now I can recall. Yeah.
Yeah. And what
Uh,
about you? How was your day?
yeah, it is going well. And yeah, as Navratri festival is going on, so it is quite different as we are just worshipping and doing some other activities too. And yesterday night I went for Garba dance. So yeah, I got tired as well. But today is my working day, so I had to work also. So I was working since morning, but I had no such work. So I just thought I can do conversation because I didn't get chance to do conversation for very long time. So yeah, that's why
O-
now I'm here.
Okay. So after how much time are you having session right now? Like when was the last time you had the session?
I think 3 or 4 days back.
It's not
But
even
yeah,
that long.
these days I'm not getting much chance to be honest. But yes, I'm trying to do at least one conversation on alternate days so that I can, be touch in this language.
Right. You're right. No. Uh,
Yes. Okay, so do you have any topic or something? Because I didn't.
no, I don't have any topic. We can go. If you have
Okay.
any topic, then we can discuss that topic. Otherwise, let's have a random.
Yes, yes, you can ask any random thing.
So you are a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Okay, so how often you upload your videos on YouTube?
Uh, past days I was doing it like in a week, 4 to 5 conversation I was trying to maintain, like uploading 4 to 5 videos. But these days, in a week, just 2 to 3 videos only because of lack of time. But yeah, I'm just trying to resume my all work again. Let's see. But yeah, after this festival season, maybe I will continue all such things.
So how is your YouTube journey is going on?
Yeah, it is going well. Not well, but I can say that it's moderate now. It's up to me only because I'm not putting extra effort for that. But if I'll put extra effort and will do something else, so definitely I will get the result also.
So as you have mentioned that Navratri season is going on, so are you observing fast?
Yeah, fast.
Like it happens now for some people, keeps the fast for 9 days straight.
Mhm.
So are you one of them? Do you keep fast is 9 days straight?
No, actually, I just do it for first day of Navratri and Ashtami, 8th day of Navratri. But in my home, like my mother and sister, they keep it for 9 days. But I have to work also, and I'm not, uh, what can I say, strong enough that I can keep for very for 9 days. So that's why. And they even don't say me that you for one day's fast also because I'm very I can say weak also. So that's why. But I keep it just for myself only, and I feel good also if I keep fast.
That's okay. That's great. Okay. So are you working from home?
Yeah, I'm working from home.
Okay, so how often do you get leave? Like it is 2 days off in a week or what?
Yes, Saturday and Sunday is my weekend, and yeah, 5 days I have to work. Yeah. Okay, so if you will get a chance to choose work from home or work from office, so what would you like to prefer?
Uh, I'll definitely go with the work from home.
Okay. Why not office?
Actually, let me just tell you, I am a kind of introvert guy, and I just like to be. I like to be in my own company. I don't want to interact with others unless something is important to discuss. Otherwise, I just like to be in my own company. So that's the reason I think. And in work from home, I can make myself more better. I can enhance my personality even more good way, know, than in work from office.
Okay, so don't you think that you should go to office to be socialized more and to interact with other people and getting chance to know each other? So
Yeah, it could be life changing for me. I'm not denying the fact that yeah, it would really be a great chance for me, to enhance my personality. When you interact with the people, your personality shine through. So, of course, but yeah, I'm not that kind of guy who, always want to be socialized.
okay, yeah. Yes, I'm also kind of shy person, but to be honest, as I'm working from home for very long time, and when I had started my career, so that time I used to go to office. Only 3 to 4 months I went there, and during the COVID, I got this work from home opportunity. But now I just feel that I'm not that much of extrovert person, so I cannot talk, freely to anyone, like any strangers, even in my surrounding and whenever I'm going out. So I just feel that if I used to go to office, so in past 4 to 5 years I may have learned so many things, and I became little bit extro I can become little bit extrovert also, so that would be good for me. But yes, both have their own pros and cons, so I'm enjoying my work from home also because I can utilize my time in some other way, and we are with our family members, so that is the biggest benefit I can say.
Yeah, you can say this is one of the reasons why I choose work from home. Like my home from here is 100 kilometers far away from here. So I, of course, for to just join work from office, I have to leave my home. So that's I don't want.
Yes. Okay, I have one question. Okay, so what what kind of quality you like about yourself? Which
Sorry,
quality? Which quality about yourself you like a lot?
I think being an introvert.
Introvert. Okay, and okay, if you have to improve one quality about you, so which quality you want to improve?
mm, like of course, it would be kind of public speaking.
Okay.
Why both the things contract with each other. Like on one hand I'm saying that I like to be an introvert, and on the other hand I'm saying that I want to be a public
Yes,
speaker.
yes.
So
I
both
just
the
I
qualities
just
are
thought this thing.
contrasting.
Yes. Because to become a public speaker, we have to become little bit extrovert. Then
uh,
only we can
uh,
remove our shyness and we can speak in public also. Like
yeah,
I also face this kind of challenges, and whenever I feel that I have to speak in public, so I don't get much confidence that yes, I can speak because of my nature. And yeah, I didn't get that much of opportunities also to be socialized more. So I feel that maybe I will not be a perfect communicator or public speaker. So
uh, interact like this is I think the disadvantage of being an introvert. You don't you will not improve your personality until you interact with the people. Okay. So
mhm,
in order to improve your personality and your uh, like your well-being, even you have to communicate with the people. You have to interact with the people. So this the disadvantage of being an introvert, I would say.
yes, yes, yeah, right.
But it's not like I am introvert because I feel shy in front of the people. It's not like that. But I don't know why, but I don't like people. I don't like people. around me, like to be around me. So that's the reason.
Okay, so you like your own company.
It's not about the shyness, and it was never, I think.
Yes, yes, you're right. Okay,
Yeah.
and may I know for which field you are preparing for, like for your
Soft-
interviews?
Software engineer.
Software engineering. So, are you learning any programming language as well?
Actually, I have learned so many languages, but the thing is remaining is my revision, and I'm just doing that. And along with that, I'm applying on various platforms.
Hmm.
So
Okay, so did you give any interviews as of now?
yeah, I have given an interview when I was, in my third year of my graduation. I have given that interview, and I got I got placed in that interview. Okay,
Hmm.
so but for some reason, like the recessions are going on. So, so the company is not taking me in. Okay. So it's saying that you have to wait for some more time because the recessions and layoffs are going on.
Hmm.
There is no opportunity for the freshers right now. And if there will be any kind of need of freshers, we will let you know. So I'm just waiting for that company to reply, and along with that, I'm applying for other companies.
Yes, yes. And I think this problem with so many companies, they hire that time and they take a long time for giving you like offer letter and joining letter, each and everything. So yeah,
Actually, yeah, I got the offer letter, but I didn't get the joining letter
joining
yet.
letter. Yes, yes. Yeah, it happens. And I have heard this kind of complaint on LinkedIn. So many people complain like this.
Right.
So yeah.
It's happening after Corona, COVID-19 a lot.
Hmm. And I
And
think most of the like most of the biggest company also doing this kind of things.
exactly right.
And that time people are in dilemma like I will get this joining letter or not, so I should do something else or not, I should go to some other way or not. It happens a lot. So how was your experience while giving interviews, and what do you think like which like where you are lacking, and do you need any kind of improvement in yourself?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, while giving the interview, I was very nervous, as you can assume, because I'm an introvert, and
Hmm.
I was seeing two to three people in front of me in the panel. So it was, a kind of terrible experience for me. So, but somehow I managed to give the interview, and at that time, my communication skills means my spoken
Spoken is.
English
Hmm.
was not that much good, and I was fumbling a lot. So interviewers gave me a chance to to answer in you can answer in your native language. So they told me that. So yeah, and I got this opportunity, and yeah, I used it opportunity very well. And
Hmm.
I used both the languages, Hindi and English, in my interview. But mostly I preferred Hindi language because at that time I was very nervous,
Hmm.
and as well as I didn't have any knowledge about the spoken English. So yeah, it was kind of terrible experience, and I, I, you just said like what kind of improvements you want. Okay, so yeah, as I told you, there was a lack at the time. There was lack in my confidence, and
Confidence, yes.
the way I was interacting with them was not uh, appropriate. I was like, it was not showing professionalism. It was like I'm just casually sitting there and interacting with them.
Yeah, yeah. And I think it comes with practice. And if you have attended many interviews, so automatically you will gain some confidence. Even when I was giving my first interview, so I was literally very nervous. I can't even, give the proper eye contact as well with the panel member.
Exactly.
Uh, and I was too nervous, and my heartbeat was increasing. I was beating very fast that time. And
Right.
somehow, when you are in front of like two to three people, then it would be very difficult to manage everyone. So yeah, but when you give this kind of interviews, and we'll try some of the mock interviews as well, so you can gain some confidence.
Right. And like in video call also, few people, get nervous and assume a situation when three people, two to three people are, sitting in
Hmm.
front of you. One of them is taking care of your personality. One of them is, observing your personality, and
Yes.
one of them is, looking for your answers, whether you are answers correctly or not. So various things are going on. So in that situation, people, it's very obvious that people, you know that candidate will get nervous. It's very obvious.
Yes.
For me, it was too obvious because I'm an introvert. So yeah, it was a kind of horrible and a terrible experience for me. But it taught this incident taught me a lot, so, and which I can carry forward in my upcoming interviews, and I can take care of those things.
Yes. Yes.
It happens,
Definitely.
like when you do first thing, when you do thing for the first time, so you get to learn so many things which you can add up in your next. Uh, I can add up those things in my next interview, which will really help me.
Yes, yes, because we always learn from our failures. So if you have attended interviews in earlier days, so you must have learned so many things. Which kind of question they are asking, how they are you, anything, and how they are observing. So many things we can learn. And now, yeah,
Uh,
it would be quite good for you that because you already faced this thing, so now you have to work on. But yeah, I believe that in interviews, how much prepare we are, but still we feel little bit nervous because we already know that I don't know what kind of question they will gonna ask you,
okay.
whether you
It
are
is,
fully prepared, but
mm,
still we have fear that which kind of question they will ask. And
right,
sometimes it
right,
happens they always ask you about the outside of your resume and outside of your syllabus and everything. So we must have to prepare ourselves according to the situation.
exactly. Right. And one thing that I got to learn from my interview is that you should be confident enough to face that interview. And I also have learned from I have watched a video on YouTube of a HR, and she was saying that we don't see your communication, like we see, but we don't give them the first priority. We give the priority to the candidate's confidence. How much
Mm.
how much confidence that candidate is. So they don't that look look for your communication skills or spoken English skills. So you should be confident enough.
Yes, yes, you added very good point because I have also observed this thing. When you are confident enough, so if your communication is not too well, but still you are able to present yourself. Whether you are making some of the mistakes, that is okay. But if the interviewer is seeing, watching you that yes, you are confident enough, you have great knowledge, so that definitely they can hire you. But sometimes it happens. So many people have good knowledge, good technical skills as well, but because of lack of confidence they are not able to crack the interviews. And yeah, it happened with me also in my time, so I have learned these things. But yeah, we need
Okay.
confidence so that we can crack interviews easily. Yeah.
Most important thing,
Yes.
while facing an interview. Okay, so it was lovely talking to you, and thank you for giving your precious time.
Yeah,
So,
thank you to
uh,
you as well. Have a great day. Bye
bye.
bye.
Have a nice